Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. So I'm updating on the uranium ETF here, URA. Now we finally got the reversal higher. This is the monthly time frame, very long-term charts. We finished this major bottom here back in 2020 at $7, and then we should be starting a new massive bullish market here in the next couple of years. And it's been quite challenging since 2021, right? It's been 4 years of more or less a sideways price action here after the initial rally from 2020 to 2022. That's a pretty massive gain there. But then from $7 to $31, so it's a massive gain. But since then, we've been sideways, and only recently we just started to rally quite impulsively. And I think the catalyst being Donald Trump, right? Basically mentioning about the wartime Uranium Act, signaling a strong governmental support for the nuclear energy sector. So we got the sentiment starting to be very bullish again. And if I drop down to the daily time frame, we can see this rally here is definitely very strong. It's an impulse with a nest with a very shallow pullback all the way. You can see in the RSI, no divergence whatsoever at the strongest momentum, which basically suggesting this is not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You don't need to worry about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then suddenly collapse in a big three waves like this, because this is momentum wise still at the strongest. So that means we're actually in the wave 3 still. So the best way to label it then is a nest 1, 2, 1, 2. So we're within wave 3, right? Within wave 3, we are within wave 3 of 3, technically speaking. So we should continue to see further upside in the coming weeks and months and years, right? In years. And if you go back to this monthly time frame, let's try to find out a couple of different possible target here. Now, if I just use the 1 and 2 in black, which is within 3 in red, just simply measuring the extension here, and you can see we're looking for at minimum 100% extension is 35, but it can easily go to like 45, which is the 1.618 or even more, right? So again, we should continue to see more upside in a strong rally, in an impulsive rally. So this is going to be very interesting coming weeks and months for the uranium sectors here, okay? And again, we do like more upside, and we do like to continue buying the tips if we can get any kind of pullback here. Okay, so that is the update here for today, and I'll see you all again next time. And as always, we don't cover uranium in our service, but we do cover a lot of other things like Forex, stocks, commodities, ETF. Feel free to check our service. We have for the index trial, and the link is in the description of the video. I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.